This business costs nothing to start and it works worldwide. If you've ever wanted to start an online business without having money to invest, no problem at all. Because in this video, I'm going to show you the number one easiest business that you can start in 2025 going into 2026. With zero money, I'll show you how to start it. I'll explain why it works and how you can launch it for yourself this week. Now, this business is selling digital products. That means ebooks, templates, guides, and online courses, and many other things. Things that you just simply create once, but then you get to sell them over and over again. And unlike popular ways of making money like forex trading, drop shipping, or even freelancing, digital products require zero capital to start, it requires zero inventory, and you can start it by using free online tools that I'll show you today. But so that you see that I know what I'm talking about and I'm not just making this stuff up, this is one of my websites. As you can see, my face is all over it. And these are some of the products that I actually have on sale right here. If I just go into the back end section so that I can show you the transactions that have been happening here, if I just change this to the all time, you'll see that I've earned about 17,741 US dollars on this website. Now, because I live in South Africa, that amount comes up to around 310,000 rands. Now, I do want to mention that I do have a training where I show people step by step how to be able to do this. It's called the Digital Product Breakthrough Challenge. And it's just 5 video lessons that will teach you how to launch your first digital products in just 5 days, even if you've never sold anything online before. It costs $47 to sign up. I'm going to put the link in the description of this video if you're interested in that. Me coaching you and mentoring you through my course and my online community where I'll teach you to do exactly what I do. So that's the second option that you can check aside from watching this video all the way to the end, because I'm going to explain exactly what I do. But if you want a more hands-on full course or help from me directly, then click the link in the description and I'll be able to help you. Now, here's why digital products is the easiest business to start this year going into 2026. You can use the free tools like Canva and ChatGPT that will help you to create free products in hours. You don't need a store, rental, or upfront capital, and you can sell worldwide. Whether you are living in South Africa just like me, or in Nigeria, or in the US, the UK, doesn't matter. As long as there's internet connection, you'll be able to sell digital products. And the best part is that profit margins are insane because you can make upwards from 90% plus as compared to selling stuff like physical products. Here are the 4 steps that you need to follow to start selling your own digital products. Number 1, you need to pick a problem that you can solve. When I say problem, I don't mean stuff like solving global warming or curing cancer, but I mean simple things. For example, a lot of people don't know how to file their taxes. So if you're a tax consultant or an accountant, you can create an ebook that shows people how to do that for themselves without hiring an expensive accountant. Or maybe you're a parent and your child was addicted to gadgets like iPads and phones, and you figure out a way to get your child to do other activities that don't always include screen time. You can create a PDF or even a short video recording where you're explaining how you're able to get your child to stop focusing on screens. Those are just examples of 2 different problems that you can create ebooks and start selling. The reason why people will buy those is because they are common problems that they are looking for solutions for. So problems can be in any industry, they can be in any niche, they can be about anything, as long as it's something that helps people to figure out and solve the problem that they have. Once you know the problem to solve, you're going to use ChatGPT and a platform like canva.com to create the ebook. Now, I'll probably link to another video up here where I'll show you how you can actually create an ebook using ChatGPT and Canva together. But the process is simple. All you're going to do is that you're going to join ChatGPT for free, and then you're going to come and do something like this. You're going to type and say, I want you to help me to write an ebook about, and then whatever it is that you want to write your ebook about. In my case, I'm saying helping kids to stop spending too much time on screens and do other healthy activities. I just simply give it that instruction and then I press enter. And then what it's going to do is that it's going to start thinking, and then it's going to start off by giving me an outline and title ideas. For example, Unplugged, raising happy, healthy kids in a digital world, or Beyond the Screen, helping kids discover life offline, or the Screen-Free Kids Playbook. I personally like this one. And then it's going to tell me what's going to be included in the book. As you can see, there's going to be chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, up to chapter 11. And then it's going to start writing a quick draft about what's going to be included inside of the book. You then can go on further and tell it that, okay, make the tone of this book to be maybe friendly and soft, or you want it to be professional or mature, talking to maybe older or elderly parents. It's really up to you. You just need to tell it the instructions. And another thing also, if you're using the free plan, it might not have enough memory to write the whole book at once. So you might just need to tell it to write chapter 1. You copy what it writes, put it in a document, tell it to write chapter 2, you copy what it writes, put it in a document, and you keep doing that until your book is finished. And then next, you're going to be using Canva, which is another free tool that you can use as well. You just simply search for canva.com. Please note I'll put the links to all these websites in the description below. And once you get to Canva, it looks something like this. These are all the designs that I've been doing myself. As you can see, my face is also there. You just want to come here to the top and make sure that it's on templates. And then you're just going to type and say ebook. And then it's going to show you a whole lot of ebook templates right here. I normally like to click on the one where it says ebook multiple pages, so that I get an ebook that's not just the cover, but it's got many pages as well. For example, there's this one right here. If I want to work with this one, I just simply click on it, and then I'm going to click on customize this template. And before I click on that, please take note that some of these templates, you need to pay for them, but most of them are for free. In this case, when you see this crown here, it means there's something that you need to pay for. But of course, there are other free ones that you can use. I'm just going to use this one as an example. So I'll click on customize this template. And then immediately you can start making the changes that you want to this. For example, if I come back to ChatGPT and I copy the name of the book, the Screen Free Kids Playbook, I can just come in here immediately, double click on this text, and then paste the name of my ebook here. So I'll be able to do all the changes like that. I can change the image there. I can delete this and then replace it with another image. I can change all the text here, and I can even click at the back here and click on the color at the top and then choose the color that I like. For example, I like blue, and and can you see, as soon as I click, everything changes. So you're just going to simply do that on page 1, which is the cover. Then you move on to page 2, page 3, page 4, page 5 until your ebook is complete. Once it's done, you're going to click here at the top where it says share and then click on download. And then you can change this to PDF and then click on download. Then it's going to download it to your computer. And then when I click at the top here to see my downloads, if I click on this, you see that my PDF is now done. Obviously, because I didn't really take the time to design it, but I'm just showing you how fast you can do this. This is now my PDF that I can immediately start selling to people. Once you've done that, you need to put it on a website where you can start receiving payments. For example, this is my website where I actually get people to sign up for my 5-day challenge. As you can see here, there's a picture of what people will be getting. There's a description of what people will be getting. And then there's a button that people can click on. And once they've clicked on that button, it's going to ask them for their payment details. For example, it's going to ask them for their name, their email address, they'll create a password, and then they'll choose whether they want to pay with their card or they want to pay with PayPal. And then lastly, they click on the button and then they just make their payment. One of the best places to build a free website that you can make in just a couple of minutes is this website, which is called Gumroad. And it helps you to be able to build one-page websites that allow you to start selling your products immediately. For example, if I come to the Gumroad library, I can see all the other products that other people are selling. Like there's this SEO booster pack. If I just click on that, this is what your one-page website will look like. You've got an option to put a big image so that people see what they are buying. And then you've got your product description right here to the left. You can get some nice reviews from people. And then there's going to be the price, which in this case is $50. You're just going to come here to the bottom, make sure that you put your $50 in there and then add to cart, and then someone can pay. The nice part about this website is that it's free for anyone to use. You don't have to pay any cost upfront, but they charge you 10% for every single transaction. Meaning that if you just sell one thing for $10, they're going to take $1 from you. And if you sell 100 of those things, they're going to take 10% of that. If you sell 1,000, they'll take 10% of that. So I actually recommend that you build your own website so that you only just pay for the website hosting itself, but every single payment that comes to your website is 100% yours. You keep all the money. So this is a service that I actually offer myself, where I can actually build up your store for you. Your store meaning your website where people will come and buy. And I'll also give you 5 products that you can start selling immediately so that you can start making money for yourself. But not only that, but I also get onto a 1-hour Zoom call with you and explain to you step by step what you need to do so that you can start getting sales. Plus, I give you a free course that will teach you everything that you need to know about creating and selling digital products. So if you're interested in that, the link is also going to be in the description of this video below. This is a completely new idea that I've just launched, and I've currently just helped about 15 people with this, and they're all starting to see success. And believe me that this is an in-demand service, which I plan to charge about 10,000 rands or around $600 just to start. But the price is going to be increasing because there are lots of people who need help with this. But if you sign up today, you're going to be able to sign up at a discounted price. Click the second link in the description of this video, check out the price, and make sure that you sign up. while the price is discounted. Once you've got your online store or your website, your next step is to just start promoting your digital products. You just simply need to get a link to each different product, and then you can promote it on your WhatsApp. You can promote it on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn, any social media platform that you can think of. You can do that by simply creating your own personal brand, just like I do, and posting content on social media. Or if you're someone who's shy and doesn't want to show their face, the second option is that you can create content that doesn't involve you or doesn't show your face. And this is something that I teach people how to do also as well inside of my coaching program. The third thing that you can do is that you can find influencers who already have got audiences, and you can strike a deal with them for them to promote your product for you. And then you give them a percentage of the revenue. Or the other method is that you can use platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Google to show your adverts to people, but you're going to have to pay the platforms to do that. All these are different methods that work, and I show you how to do them in my 5-day challenge. And yes, of course, you can learn this stuff for free for yourself by watching YouTube videos or just simply Googling it. But if you want step-by-step help, the link is going to be in the description of the video. By simply following these 4 steps that I've just explained, you will be able to start the easiest business that you can find, and you start making money. And you can do this even in less than 7 days. Once you've got a product that's making you some good money, all you need to do is then create more products and continue selling them. And like I said earlier on, you just need to create one product, and the advantage is that you'll be selling that same product over and over and over again to so many different people. Now, comment below and let me know what's one product that you are thinking of creating today. And I'll give you a reply and give you feedback on my best tips to help you to get started. Also, if you found value in the video, please show your support by liking. And if you're not a subscriber, make sure that you subscribe to this channel, because I'll be dropping more content like this that shows you step by step what you need to do to start earning income online. And make sure that you check out this video next, where I'll be showing you step by step how you can start making money with ChatGPT today.